Didn't just sell it to that gentleman, did you?
No, he's my son.
Oh, okay. Oh, we missed the Sprinter guy.
Yeah.
Oh, out of the truck sooner.
Let's do the walk around. This one's got
He's
the
expert on it.
This one's got the left-hand slider. That's rare.
300,000 miles on this truck.
One seat upgrade.
Seat's already been recovered. I told her the seat was going to be worn out because of the way the steering wheel and the shift knob are.
It smells like a Sprinter in here.
It smells like a paint shop to me.
Exactly. I associate those things are just one.
Yep.
Some shelves in here. Hey, a trash can.
Still screwed in too. Original.
Oh, I didn't know they were screwed in. I thought they were just pull out always.
Well, it's riveted in actually. You can't dump it until you screw that break that rivet out. All of these are in place.
Yeah, that's pristine.
The knob is ate up, but this is, I'm sure they're going to replace it anyhow.
This seems like it's in okay condition.
Yeah, steering wheel is definitely showing signs of a highly acidic hands.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yeah,
it's
definitely. Just ate off.
Definitely.
And yeah, here the armrest is the same. Was probably a whole lot worse than that.
Yep.
Before they recovered it.
This actual seat is in pretty halfway decent condition.
Headliner's got the coffee stains.
Yeah, it sure does.
B pillars are.
Yeah, this one too.
I've never seen those in such bad condition. But they can be pulled and painted.
Yep.
Made to look good.
The rubber floor mat's pretty clean. There's some wear under there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Like you showed.
Big hole in the floor there, but it's just in a rubber mat. Not too uncommon. Work boots.
Yep. Bacon button on this one. Bicycle cable seems. Oh. Well, bicycle cable in here kind of works. Not really though. That's definitely not.
Look how new the floor mat is.
Wow.
There's a piece of it just laying up here.
Broken vents over here. This is dirty too still. This vent piece is broken.
Just the cover. Yep.
Wow. Shiny floor. I've never seen one with two sliders before. Wow. I'm kind of jealous. It's definitely been like redone, repainted.
Yeah.
And here got painted. Ooh.
Yeah, another one across from it.
Huh. Yeah, something banging around in here. Oh, wow. Right there at the seams.
Yeah. It's just about to poke through, isn't it?
Yep.
So there's the rust holes that we see on the inside shining through the top. More rust holes up there. They've been taped onto. And the entire top of the van needs a paint job so bad I can taste it. Here too, it's just about to come through.
Yep.
Flaking off big time. And look at that, whatever that was, they just yanked it out of there. Painted right over the dome light here.
Painted right over the dome light, painted over the tail light box here. The wheel wells are definitely fatter than our T1Ns though. Oh, I love this dual slider though. Oh my god. Really would not mind a dual slider at all, but that is such a rare option.
So, whoever did the cleanup on this, crap job. I mean, stuff just laying in it here. Painted right over the D-rings.
Panels missing here. Painted right over it here. Wow.
Overspray on the door handle. And look, I mean, it's not like they even painted the back door. How'd they get overspray on that door handle without painting the door?
Yeah, that's what I'm curious about. Oh, these doors are not right either.
We got some weird electrical going on here.
I think we got some blue van doors here too.
Yeah.
You can see where the seal's been ate away.
Look how bad that seal is up here. It's just totally torn up.
Yeah, but look at how this door opens. It's like,
yeah.
It's like blue.
Oh, the door seal is all. Closed the doors before the paint was dry. I could see in the pictures the doors had not been opened.
Yeah.
Now they've been opened to straight out, but they still haven't been swung out to 180. See that it's only been opened to straight out.
Yep.
To here. That's as far as it's been since it's been painted.
I guess that points okay. At least that's the proper dosage.
These lights, that wire is definitely going to be, well, that wire would be a problem for me on a build out.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Cut it, move it, whatever it takes. And these lights are kind of weird. Let me see if they come on.
Oh yeah, they do. They flash now. Flashing still. Or flashing like one half and then the other half, and now they're off.
Yeah, now they're off. Okay.
I got to say, I love the little slider on it though. But
yeah, we got paint on the plastic, paint on here. Oh, paint on here. I mean, come on, you didn't even take that off? Smells okay. Definitely been run today. Oops. Full.
Still has plastic resonator.
Well, let me fire it up.
Go for it.
Really? Okay, well that's nice. And it sounds good. There's exhaust on it. Ben? Oh, wow. Like they just pan over it and didn't do any kind of prevention to it. Look at that, it's all bubbly still. Oh yeah, that's rust. Wow. Not so much, 17 grand. Rust. Wow. Crappiest paint job I've ever seen in my life.
Year 2. Look.
Rust. Yep, rust.
oh, that's never been opened.
Manufacture date February of 06.
And look. Painted. Transmission pan looks clean and dry.
That's good.
Well, dry at least. It's not all mucky. Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
A little bit of grime on the air sensor over here. That grommets worn out over here. How's that windshield rust?
Look under here. Rust.
Yeah. That's what I missed.
Rust in there. Grad up there. Yep, we got more than max there.
Oh, we got our stuff, dude.
To the max. Not good, it's brown. Not horrible, but there's nothing red about it. Oh, hey, Hey, look at this.
Just sitting here doing nothing. Look at this.
Oh yeah, I didn't even look at those.
Those weren't on before.
Valve. Rail pressure sensor. Circuit to battery opens. Yep. Permissible limit value for the air mass is exceeded. No or incorrect CAN message from the ABS control module. Fault of the control module. EGS. Vehicle speed for cruise control. Oof. Yeah, didn't bother to clean it and painted this one right to the floor. That is painted in there. There we go, break the paint off. Not only can we not tell if this van has been cared for, we can tell it's been spit shined. They tried to hide everything. They painted right over rust, glued things shut that shouldn't. All right, trouble codes. All right, now I think we've seen what we need to see there. You want to take it for a little drive?
Wow, no towing mirrors even on this.
But it does have a towing hitch.
Remember, you're at a 35. I don't know if that means anything. Guess I'll put my seatbelt on.
Oh, not even power mirrors either. Wow.
Something whining. I hear it.
Turns nice and smooth.
Seems like it.
Seems like it's still got a nice turning radius despite the dually.
Does something weird there between 2 and 3.
I don't like that.
Oh, no, I don't think I'm going to go that way.
Oof.
I thought I was going to
Yeah, it doesn't look.
go the dirt road, but that dirt road looks like a good place to get stuck.
Yeah. Dually, not four-wheel drive, unfortunately.
In summary, this is a beautiful van, but it's got too much rust to make a conversion out of. It's got some rust holes in the roof. It's got silver tape on the roof to keep the rain from coming in, and that's just no place to start when you're going to do installation and a conversion and spend $10,000 or $20,000 on the inside and then have it leak right away. It's just no good. It's got some other problems, rust along the bottom, and frankly, it was just painted and the problems were hidden instead of fixed. So we're going to pass on this one. Because of the YouTube channel. Oh, my glasses. Thought I was getting attacked by a bird.